required. In a certain code language, if maximization is written as, even this we can't read, then how will objectifying be written as? Now look at this word actually. Actually this word is broken into two parts and then this is reversed. Each part is reversed. So here this is maximi and then zation, like this. Similarly you will have to do it with objectifying. So in this it will be TCE JBO. Check where it is. TEC. A is gone. TCE JBO. TCE JBO. TCE JBO. All of them are correct, looking as correct. Now only last one. GNI YFI. GNI YFI. GNI GIN. Not this one. C is out. GNI YIF. So D is out. Only B remains because it is the correct one.